Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this Nissan Altima, and in this quick video I'd like to show you how to replace your air filter in this car. So let's start. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna pop the hood. Actually, this is a very simple procedure. Everyone can do this. Locate the latch, move the latch to the left, raise the hood up. Find the stand, put the stand in the place. Good. Okay, so let's start. So our air filter is right here in this air filter housing. So we have to first of all get this cap off. How do we do this? We're gonna open 5 pins. One's right here. As you can see it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, once you do all 5 of them, you are able to raise this thing up. Okay, so you raise this up, and with the other hand you're gonna take out the filter. I'm gonna put you guys here. So I raise with one hand, and with the other hand I'm just getting out the filter. Okay, so here's our filter, which is, oh my god, I think nobody ever changed this in this car. Okay, so this is how the filter looks. This is how. Okay, when you have to get a replacement filter, you just go in online, or eBay, Amazon, or Google, or whatever you guys buy parts, or you can go to your parts store. Any parts store, just give them the filter, they're gonna give you the replacement one. And if you buy it online, you can just type in, for example, 2017 Nissan Altima Air filter, and order it online. It's gonna come in. Once you get the new filter, same way, open this cap. What is that? Open this cap here with one hand, with the other hand put the filter in. Okay, it has to be nice and solid, there should be no gaps. Okay, nice, it shouldn't move. Okay. And then just close the lid. Close the lid and close it with pins. If you're having trouble with some pin, it means your housing is not aligned correctly, so make sure it's nice and neat. That's it. You just should flap it easy. Okay, that's it. That's how you do it. As you can see, it's very simple procedure. Everyone can do this and save yourself some money. Okay guys, hope this helps. If it does, please press the like button and have a great day. Bye.